Hello guys, this is Will with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and I'm here with a JBL Link 300 tutorial video, and I'll be showing you how to reset your JBL Link 300 speaker. There are two resets that are very helpful to diagnose or troubleshoot issues with your JBL Link 300, along with resetting the speaker if you're wanting to clear data and start fresh again. So the first reset that you can do is by holding the mute button for roughly over 13 seconds. The speaker has been reset once all of these LEDs, as you can see, have illuminated, and the speaker will then go ahead and go through its setup prompt. This does take some time, so be patient. Another reset that you can do is by holding the Bluetooth button along with the volume plus button. Hold these two buttons together. And the same lights will illuminate. This reset is helpful if you're having Wi-Fi connection problems, as well as setup problems. So there you have it, guys. These resets should help you if you have any instances or situations where this speaker is not pairing properly to your Google Home app. We will be sending you, if you purchase this speaker, with a card that has these steps written out on them if you want to just directly go to those steps. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.